Welcome back to the vlog. Today we got the Escalade in. You see it right now. It looks pretty beat. Our customer has some sentimental value to this thing. She loves it and she wants us to revitalize it, make it look good again. So we're gonna make the Escalade great again. We're gonna show you in this video how to do it. If you see here, it got some flat tires. It's pretty beat up, it's dirty, it hasn't been maintained in a bit, but it is a 2015-16, I believe, just visually looking at it. I think the things that we're gonna do to this thing is we'll do a new wheel and tire setup because we gotta get that addressed right away. We'll probably do a paint correction, then we'll do a wrap on it, and really just make this thing look cool again. So we're gonna show you guys the entire process, how to take something like this, fully make it look dope again, and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys haven't already subscribed, make sure you do so. We're giving away a car wrap at 300,000 subscribers. We're almost there, guys. What, like 50,000 more? Come on, 50,000 of you, subscribe. I want to give away a car wrap. If you guys don't know, we will go anywhere in the whole entire world and go wrap your car. If you're a subscriber to the channel, I'll bring myself, the team, we'll go wrap your car. But in this vlog, we're gonna wrap this one.
CJ, I'm over here in production, you know. I'm gonna have Hefe hop on real quick, help me with some shit.
So we had a group meeting or team meeting the other day and we realized that CJ needs a lot of help because you guys are killing it on the website. So I'm gonna get my ass in there and help him, and you guys are gonna watch this until Pat gets here. Look who's here.
Everything's local.
What up? Huh?
Is that it? What you guys doing
No,
now?
it's his brother.
Where'd the other half go?
I left him somewhere teaching. You ready to wash this dirty car? Let's not talk about me, let's talk about you. How dirty that is? That thing's...
I don't know
So
if
in today's vlog, we're
how
showing
healthy you
people,
look, or how dirty that truck is.
Yeah. I think they're both pretty shocker today.
We're showing people how to take a old, neglected vehicle and make it cool again. So you're step one. Okay?
Right.
I have faith in you, bro.
Yeah.
You can do this.
Okay.
You have pretty eyes.
Thanks, brother.
I'ma go straight up, jet like uppercut. Made a boy shut us soft like buttercup. I know some good gon' roll with us. My money flowing like air with us. But a little price in your head like babe. You can get shot like sled. I'm a drift off. Fucking your bitch in your bed for that shit talk.
We have some heartbreaking news. My boy is back again.
Laze's back because I got hit by a tumbleweed.
Show him what happened, man.
All the way back. Like, damn. Why they gotta do me like that?
Oh, and that happened when you're driving from
That
here?
happened when I was driving.
So you had the car for an hour.
Or when I left Ralph's Muffler, actually, like 2 days ago, that's when it happened. I was on the 10 freeway, and I was going to get my front splitter installed, and then I was like, fuck, and I got smacked by it.
Shit talk, you just a pop boy, I ain't a big dog. You just a bitch. This shit factual. Hate how I talk, I ain't tripping, I'm casual. Dribble the play like Bieber, D-road. You can get shot in your pico. I keep it top and it's still like 3M. I wake up trapping for A and the PM. You pay on start with a gym. I'm in your boss of the city. Came a long way from the credit. Bitty but tea like a teacup. Dripping that water, no bleeder. My top ceiling Selena. I'm at the top, no bleeders.
Cadillac's done.
Let's see it. You already see it?
Yeah.
Yo, sorry for being moody. I
No,
would have taken it out on you the whole time.
you have.
I
That's
know.
cool.
And like everybody else, like I'm like nice to them, but like since you're like my best homie, I feel like I could be mean to you.
I was like, what, did I do something wrong?
No,
I got here at 9:30.
I fucking love you, bro. I think that's the worst part about me. Is like when I love somebody, I'm like, I can take my stress out on this fool because he knows I love him.
That's alright, I'm used to it. But the Cadillac's done, so we gotta put wheels on it.
All right, I'm just gonna call you a punching bag today.
All right.
Give me my punching bag.
I got my boxing gloves in the car.
Yeah, I'll not call you a punching bag anymore. Alright guys, if you didn't know, we've been posting a lot on Instagram. If you don't follow us on Instagram, I don't know what you're doing. Let's go. I want to see what this thing looks like. I want to know, I mean, before you start any project, it's important to know what you're working with. If you see the condition that it was dropped off in, we really don't know how that paint looks, so that's why it was important for us to get the detailer to come out, clean it up for us, and let us see what we're working with. Whoa!
Right? Looks like a
Maybe
new
we
car.
shouldn't wrap it. Bro, it looks fresh.
Alright guys, video's over.
Paint looks pretty decent. I mean, you can tell that it's beat up, you know. I think that door might have been, nah, it wasn't repainted, but it just doesn't, maybe it needs to be wrapped. So part 2 of this is let's take it over to the wheel shop. I did pick up a new set of wheels for this thing because I think those needed to go. They're a little dated. Another thing that the customer did tell me is this car is being passed around between a couple different teenagers, so they're all learning how to drive with it, and they're bumping into curbs, they're running over curbs, doing whatever they do. So the problem that they keep having is they keep popping tires. That's why that side is actually popped right now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it down from a 24 to a 22-inch wheel. We're gonna change it up a tad bit, give them a little bit more tire to work with.
Since I lost so much weight, I'm taking the Supra.
Bam, we're over here at Wheel City. I'm gonna take you guys back real quick, show you what the wheels look like. Come on in. Like I told you guys, we're taking it down to a 22-inch, going with the Falcon tires. Gonna throw these things on, should look a lot better. Those wheels that are on there are pretty dated, so I can't wait to see what this looks like. We'll give the wheel shop about 2 to 3 hours, and we'll come pick it up. What I like about our newest shop is everything's right here. You got the wheel shop, you got the powder coat shop, you got the lifting, the lowering, you got all the people that we work with, all of our network is right here. AFE's down the street from us. So when I tell you guys that this spot is literally 30 seconds away from my shop, it's 30 seconds away. And on top of that, my favorite sandwich spot is right here. Should we go eat right now?
Let's go to lunch.
Let's just go to lunch.
Let's go. The worst thing is I just hand you the camera. Like, where are you gonna get clippers from? I hate you.
Every time I let you drive my car, I gotta readjust my seats, I gotta readjust my mirrors.
Well, you adopted me, dude. I'm sorry.
Ah, look at that little 240. Is that a 240? How much you want for it? $8,000, bro. For real.
Yeah, they're so overpriced right now.
Yeah, that's tight. So as you've seen, the Q is back. I want to show you guys a little bit more in depth what the damage looks like. And I don't know if I mentioned this or not, vinyl does have self-healing characteristics, meaning that some scratches will come out. The material's definitely not bulletproof, but in most cases, scratches will come out of vinyl just with a little bit of heat applied to it. In this case, the tumbleweed really took a beating to the vinyl, so it's not coming out. What we have to do is we have to unwrap it. So we're gonna pull the entire quarter panel, which means from here, under the fender, we actually tucked all the vinyl under the fender. So we gotta do the entire reverse process. We gotta remove that fender, get all the vinyl out. You see how deep we went back there? All of that needs to come out, all the way around. So we're gonna pull all this out. We're gonna remove the taillight and probably have to unlatch the bumper to get all of this out. Another thing we have to do is remove the door handle so we can get the entire door unwrapped, probably the window trim, and this panel and that panel will be replaced. Thank God it wasn't the rear bumper, because the rear bumper would have been a whole different scenario. It would have been a lot more expensive. It would have took a lot more time. In this case, I think we're gonna be able to knock the entire project out in a matter of a couple hours. So let's get to it. All right. Okay, so we just got the... Yeah, they're ready? The wheels are ready? Okay. All right, so we just got word from Wheel City that the wheels are on the Escalade. Let's go pick this thing up. So today it's been washed. It's got new wheels, got some new tires. All we got to do now is take it apart and wrap it. So let's go pick it up real quick and see what it looks like. See if we got a whole different look like we anticipated. First impressions. Bam. Hope she loves it. I think it looks a million times better. Told you guys there's gonna be more tire. We went from a 24 to a 22, giving their extra tire so this thing can do some off-road terrain and not pop a tire. Let's go pay for these things and we'll get out of here. Back to premium. With a little bit of TLC, you see what we got here. We cleaned up the car, or we cleaned up the Escalade, put the new wheels and tires on it, and it looks 10 times better. If we were gonna run this car just like it is, what we could have did is we could have did a full paint correction on it, got all the swirls, got all the scratches out, and just made that black paint shine, brought it back to life. You can still see, even though it's washed, it's not perfect. But that's what we had to find out. Washing it really let us know what we had to work with. Or prior to being washed, we had no idea what was under that dirt. Now when you see it, it's a pretty decent canvas, but we want to make it really cool. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna clay bar the entire surface, remove all the parts, throw a wrap on there, get this thing back together and get it back on the road, and I think we're gonna have a happy customer. In this vlog, you've seen us do this Escalade. You also seen us working on the repair job on the Q50, I believe. Q50? The repair job on the Q50. That came out great. It was one of those projects that we got in and out, couple hours, customers happy. That's the beauty of a wrap, you know. Had that damage been done to a paint job, it would have been back in the paint shop and probably been there for a week or two just to get it addressed. With a wrap, like I told you guys early in the vlog, it's not bulletproof. Things can hit it, things are gonna damage it, and it's important to have that within your budget and understand that. Good? If you guys made it to the end of the vlog, you watched all the way to the end, we thank you. I wanted to tell you guys something. You may or may not have caught it within this vlog, but there's 3 hidden hashtags in this vlog. 3 of those hashtags, if you find the hashtag, comment it below, and then we're gonna randomly select people. So we got 3 winners coming up. Find those hashtags, go back, watch the video, comment below. Make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe. And like I said before, we love you guys. We'll see you in the next vlog. See ya.
That was
I don't know
random.
what the fuck that was. I don't know how to end these things, dude.
Oh, cool. I quit.